Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm unboxing something super fun and useful, this mini sewing machine that's perfect for beginners, quick fixes, or small sewing projects. If you're into crafts or just want something compact to keep around the house, you'll definitely want to check this out. So let's get into it. So here's the box, it's pretty lightweight and the packaging is simple. On the front, you can see a picture of the sewing machine with a few highlighted features like double threads, 2-speed control, and a built-in light. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay, opening the box. First, we have the user manual. It's basic, but helpful if you're just starting out. Then we've got a small bag of accessories. There are some extra bobbins, needles, a needle threader, and even a little spool of thread. Super handy. Next up is the foot pedal. It's compact and easy to use. And here's the power adapter. Finally, the star of the show, the mini sewing machine itself. It's so cute and compact. I love the white and purple color combo. It doesn't take up much space at all, perfect for a small desk or crafting corner. Let's take a closer look at the machine. It's got a simple layout, a power switch, speed control button, and a handwheel on the side. There's also a small built-in light right above the needle area, which is super helpful when sewing. There's even a thread cutter on the side so you don't need scissors every time. The bobbin winder is right up top, and threading the machine seems pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Alright, let's plug it in and give it a quick test run. I've already threaded the machine and loaded the bobbin. I'm going to use the foot pedal to start. And it works. The stitching is smooth and steady. For a tiny machine, it handles basic fabric pretty well. This is perfect for little sewing projects, simple clothing repairs, or hemming pants. Just a heads up, it's not designed for heavy fabrics like denim or thick layers, but for light to medium weight materials, it's surprisingly effective. So overall, I'm really impressed with this mini sewing machine. It's portable, easy to use, and ideal for beginners or anyone who just wants a quick fix without the bulk of a full-sized machine. If you're interested in getting one, I'll leave the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more unboxings, reviews, and DIY tips. Thanks for watching.